What's going on, everybody? This is Paul, aka Powerhouse21, and I have a camera hack for you that I just had to share. So the other day I got 2 more batteries for my GH5. They are the Wasabi batteries. I got them off of Amazon. I also got a 2-spot charger for them as well. It's USB powered, which is great, but I was trying to think of how I'm going to be charging these on the road. Of course, I can plug them into my car or whatever else, but if they're in my backpack, I kind of want them ready to go. So I started thinking about how to do this, and I have a couple of these power brick battery things, and I started thinking, would that do it? So I have a 10,400 battery right here, and it puts out 2 amps, and it actually does work. It'll charge them the entire way. So if I put them in here, just like this, and it'll actually do the Panasonic battery and the Wasabi battery as well. Not that it would really make a difference, but some people would ask, does it do the Panasonic battery just as well as the Wasabi batteries? Yes, it does. And honestly, those are 2 red lights. That's charging. I also have a rather large 22,000 mAh battery here. It actually has 3 ports, and they all put out 2 amps, and it actually takes 2 micro USB to charge this thing, but this will last forever. This one actually goes in my backpack with these batteries, and I am never without any sort of source of power. I do have the Panasonic battery, the 2 Wasabi batteries. I obviously have the Panasonic charger, but I don't want to carry that around. This is the next best thing. So check it out. It'll charge all your batteries, and I can't say anything bad about this. I've been using this for about a week, and I have not come back to them not being charged. And they'll charge on either of these. As long as it puts out 2 amps, you're good to go. So check it out. I got links in the description. Check it out. You'll be super happy, just like I am. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this, go ahead and give this thing a big thumbs up. If you don't, whatever, give it a thumbs up anyway because you're awesome, but leave a comment below and tell me what you want to see instead. But if you do like it, go ahead and get subscribed, hit that thumbs up button, hit that bell so you can get a notification. And you know what? I think I'm going to start doing some giveaways. I have some stuff around here that I think I would like to do some reviews on and then maybe give them away. So get subscribed and check out those videos because they're coming up soon. Thank you for watching.